Brampton is widely regarded as an attractive place to reside for various reasons. For example, its diverse population. Brampton is known for its cultural diversity, fostering an inclusive and welcoming environment. Residents benefit from a range of educational institutions, including schools, universities, and very famous Sheridan College. The city's economy offers opportunities across sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, and technology. Brampton features numerous parks, trails, and green spaces, enhancing the recreational options and connection to the nature. The city provides amenities, events, and services tailored to families, making it an attractive choice for raising children. With well-established transit networks and proximity to major highways, commuting in Brampton is hassle-free. Brampton hosts cultural events and offers diverse entertainment options, fostering a vibrant community. When contemplating a move to Brampton, it's advisable to personally visit, explore neighborhoods, and consider individual preferences to ensure alignment with one's lifestyle and requirements. Give me a call at 647-512-2302 if you need any help with finding a perfect neighborhood for yourself. Thank you.